The Governor General who came to be known as father of communal electorate in India was Lord Minto. In order to restrict the freedom of the press, the British government passed the Indian Official Secret Act in 1904. The most outstanding representative of militant nationalist school of thought was Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The demand for Swarajya or self-government within the British Empire was made from the Congress platform by both Gopal Krishna Gokhale and Dada Saheb Nairoji. Mahatma Gandhi's first great experiment in Satyagraha came in 1917 in Champaran. Renu Majidya Sabha started in 1851 by Nairoji Furdunji, Dada Saheb Nairoji, S.S. Bengali and other was a Parsi Religious Reform Association. Mahatma Gandhi gave the title of Sardar to Vallabhbhai Patel for his great organizational skill in the Bardoli Satyagraha. The pioneer of Indian communism was M.N. Roy. Whom did B.G. Tilak call the Diamond of India? Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The Battle of Plassey was fought in (1757). The territory of Porus, who offered strong resistance to Alexander, was situated between the rivers of Jhelum and Chenab. Under Akbar, the Mir Bakshi was required to look after military affairs. Tripitaka are sacred books of Buddhist. The trident-shaped symbol of Buddhism does not represent Nirvana. The theory of economic drain of India during British imperialism was propounded by Dada Saheb Nairoji.